Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to ZP Worldwide Web Services. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the exciting world of UX/UI design. Have you ever wondered what makes an app incredibly addictive or a website so easy to navigate? It's not magic, it's UX/UI design. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about this field, buckle up for a fun and informative ride. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of crafting amazing user experiences and designing visually stunning interfaces, stick around. This video is your gateway to the incredible world of UX/UI design. Okay, let's start with the basics. What exactly is UX/UI design? Well, imagine you're at a restaurant. UX, or user experience, is like the overall dining experience. The ambiance, the service, how easy it is to read the menu, the delicious food, and even the conversations you have. It's about how you feel throughout the entire experience. Now, UI, or user interface, is like the presentation of your meal. It's the beautifully plated dish, the elegant silverware, the carefully chosen fonts on the menu. UI is all about the visual elements that you interact with, making sure they're appealing and easy to use. Think of a website you love to visit. UX/UI designers create digital products that are both a joy to use and a feast for the eyes. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how can I learn UX/UI design without spending a fortune? Don't worry, I've got your back. There are tons of budget-friendly resources out there to help you master these skills. First up, online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer a treasure trove of affordable UX/UI design courses. You can find everything from beginner-friendly introductions to more specialized topics. And the best part? Many of them offer free audits, so you can get a taste of the course content before committing. Next, let's not forget the power of a good book. Two classics in the field are Don't Make Me Think by Steve Krug and The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman. These books are packed with timeless wisdom and practical advice that will shape the way you approach design. You can often find used copies online or at your local library. And hey, since you're already here on YouTube, take advantage of the wealth of free tutorials available. There are channels dedicated to teaching everything from the fundamentals of UX design to advanced UI techniques. Another great way to learn is by doing. Websites like Daily UI provide daily design challenges to help you sharpen your skills. It's a fun and engaging way to practice and build your portfolio. So, you're learning UX/UI design. That's fantastic. Now you might be wondering, what doors can these skills open? What can I actually do with this knowledge? UX/UI design is incredibly versatile, offering a wide range of exciting career paths. Let's start with the obvious, website design. Every business needs a website, and they all need talented UX/UI designers. Then there's the booming world of app design. From social media apps to productivity tools, the possibilities are endless. But UX/UI design goes beyond screens. It also extends to physical products. If you love getting into the minds of users, UX research might be the perfect fit for you. UX researchers conduct interviews, surveys, and usability testing to understand user behaviors. Ready to put your newfound UX/UI knowledge into action? Let's talk about some beginner-friendly projects to build your portfolio. First, try redesigning an existing website. Choose a site that needs better user experience or design. It could be a local business, a blog, or an online store. Analyze its strengths and weaknesses, then redesign it. Next, create a mobile app concept. Brainstorm an app that solves a problem or entertains. Sketch the user flow and design the interface. Focus on visual design with logo creation. Create logos for imaginary companies. Finally, build a portfolio website to showcase your work. Make it reflect your personal brand and best projects. Now that you're well on your way to becoming a UX/UI design rockstar, let's talk about where your skills can take you in the job market. The good news is that UX/UI designers are in high demand across a wide array of industries. First on the list are the tech giants, companies like Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft. These companies are constantly innovating and creating new products and services, and they rely heavily on talented UX/UI designers to bring their visions to life. Startups are another hotbed for UX/UI design jobs. These young companies are often moving at lightning speed, and they need designers who can adapt quickly and bring fresh ideas to the table. Working at a startup can be an incredibly rewarding experience, as you'll have the opportunity to make a real impact on the product and the company's growth. If you prefer to work with a variety of clients, design agencies might be the perfect fit. These companies specialize in providing design services to other businesses, from branding and marketing materials to website and app design. You'll get to work on a diverse range of projects, keeping your skills sharp and your creativity flowing. E-commerce is another industry experiencing explosive growth, and UX/UI designers are essential to creating seamless and enjoyable online shopping experiences. Okay, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for, salaries. Now keep in mind that UX/UI design salaries can vary based on several factors, including your location, level of experience, the company you work for, and your specific skill set. But I'll give you a general idea of what you can expect. Let's start with entry-level salaries. In the United States, entry-level UX/UI designers can expect to earn an average salary of around $50,000 to $80,000 per year. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, your earning potential increases significantly. Mid-level UX/UI designers with a few years of experience under their belts can earn salaries ranging from $80,000 to $120,000 per year. As we wrap up this deep dive into the world of UX/UI design, I want to leave you with some final tips to help you succeed on your journey. Think of these as bonus nuggets of wisdom to guide you along the way. First and foremost, build a strong portfolio. In the design world, your portfolio speaks volumes. It's your chance to showcase your skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Include your best work, clearly explain your design process, and highlight the impact your designs have made. Networking is crucial in any field, but it's especially important in design. Attend industry events, join online design communities, and connect with other designers on platforms like LinkedIn. Building relationships with fellow designers can lead to valuable insights, collaborations, and even job opportunities. The design world is constantly evolving. Stay updated by following design blogs, subscribing to industry newsletters, and attending webinars and conferences. And that concludes our journey into the world of UX/UI design. I hope this video has empowered you to take the leap and start creating amazing digital experiences. Remember, you don't need a fancy degree or expensive software to get started. All you need is passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It's greatly appreciated. ZP Worldwide Web Services official website is zpworldwide.com if you're interested in website solutions. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter, now known as X, at ZP Worldwide. And let us know in the comments what aspect of UX/UI design you're most excited about. As always, thank you for your viewership.